This is GMC Sierra 2023. I'm doing all keys lost using Autel KM100. So this is a car. Let's see how to do this. Go to GM. So we're going to program two keys. Manual. GMC Sierra 2020-2023 Smart Key Alt Model. Okay. Out function. It's all key lost. There is head key. You can choose any one, because if you don't want to delete the old key, you can use the all key lost. So pin code is red. Okay. Now you want to learn smart key. Yes. Put the smart key in the slot. Press start button. So it's on ignition automatically. Now waiting for 12 minutes. Nice. Get already, not wait 12 minutes. Press start button. Okay. It's ready for key for 4. Now it's ready for 5. Sorry. Now currently you want to match? Yes. So remove the key already program it. Put the another one on the slot and press OK. Press start button once. Now ready for 6. No more. Switch ignition off. It is already, you can see now, ready for the key for 6. And switch ignition off. Press start button for 12 seconds. Release. Okay. Press long start until the switch ignition is on. Still nothing is happened. Keep on press. is going on? It's happening sometime, but yeah, that's not one. Yeah. Well, but the remote is already programmed. See? Yeah, one remote is already programmed, other one is didn't take. Let's see what happened to your baby. Start button. Okay. 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 So the ignition is off already. Still is ready for 6. Let me push video ahead, then I'll come back again. So it's still working because one remote is success programmed. Okay. And the other remote is not programmed. It was giving fail. And let's see what is going to happen. But here is giving 6. 6 means this case already programmed, but it's still not. Or it's because of stock in the middle. Let's see what is happening next. So I'm holding again. Press start button. Okay, press it. To matching more, no need more. Switch ignition off. Press start button for 12 seconds. Release. Okay. Yeah, nice. Okay, switch ignition is on already. Switch ignition off. To start the engine. So before watch stop here, it's not a starting car, and when I press the switch ignition for 12 seconds, it's not on the ignition. That's why is watch stop. So now it is already perfect. No more anything. Anything more? No more. So now there are the 5 keys in the car. Before was 3, now it's 5. Press OK. We're finished. Disconnect the device. And let's see remotes. Working one. Working second one. Start the car. It's fine. So this is GMC 2023